The data we'll use for this tutorial comes from the open access repository openneuro.org. From the OpenNeuro homepage, click on Public Dashboard, and then use the search bar to look for the string arithmetic. It should be the first result that is returned. Click on it, and then for now, we will download one subject to analyze. Click on the sub01 folder, and then click on ANAT. Click the download button next to the file sub01t1w.nai, which will begin downloading the file. Next, click on the func folder to look at its contents, and download the file sub01 task rest_bold.nai.gz. If these files have been downloaded to your downloads folder, open a MATLAB terminal and then type the following: cd ~desktop and then mkdir conn_demo. This navigates to your desktop and creates a new folder called conn_demo. This is where we will put our data and do our analyses. To organize the data into two folders within the conn demo directory, type the following from your MATLAB terminal: cd conn_demo makedir sub01/func and makedir sub01/anat, which will create the folders func and anat within a folder called sub01. To move your downloaded files into their corresponding directories, type the following: move file, single quotes, tilde, downloads, the name of, in this case, the func file, then a comma, sub01/func. And we'll do the same thing for the anat file. Once you've finished doing that, type ls sub01/anat and ls sub01func to make sure that the functional data is now located in the func directory and that the anatomical data is located in the anat directory. If so, you are now ready to begin using the CONN Toolbox, which we now turn to. The CONN software package is what is known as a toolbox, a suite of commands designed to be used as an add-on to SPM. The CONN download page can be found here on the NITRC website. Simply click on the download button to begin downloading version 19.c. You can also find a link to this web page in the More Info box down below. This download will take a few minutes, so we'll fade out and come back. When it has finished downloading, unzip it. This will create a folder called CONN in your Downloads folder. Then open a new MATLAB terminal and type move file, single quotes, tilde, downloads conn, comma, and single quotes, another tilde, which will move the CONN folder to your home directory. The next step is to set a path to the directory so that we can access the CONN Toolbox from any directory. Click on the Set Path button and then click on Add Folder. Select the CONN folder from your home directory and then click Save. Then click on Close to return to the MATLAB terminal and simply type CONN, C-O-N-N. If the path has been set correctly, CONN should load. And after a few moments, you will see the default CONN screen, which looks something like this. If you see the CONN home screen, then you have both successfully installed CONN and SPM. If you don't have SPM installed yet, click on the link in the More Info box down below. We are now ready to begin our tour of the CONN GUI and explore some of the options in more detail.